Tesla robot, also known as Tesla Optimus, is designed to take on everyday physical tasks that are repetitive, difficult, or time-consuming for humans. It can potentially walk, balance, navigate environments, recognize objects, and use its hands to interact with tools and household items. Tesla's vision is to develop a general-purpose humanoid robot that can assist people at home, in factories, warehouses, and other workplaces. One of the most exciting capabilities of the Tesla robot is its potential to perform practical household and industrial tasks. It could be used for carrying objects, sorting items, handling materials, performing repetitive factory operations, and assisting with chores. Its humanoid shape is especially useful because it is intended to operate in environments already designed for humans, rather than requiring completely redesigned workspaces. But what makes Tesla Optimus especially interesting is its connection to artificial intelligence and autonomous systems. Tesla aims to use advanced AI, cameras, neural networks, and robotics technology to help the robot understand its surroundings and make decisions while performing tasks. As development continues, Optimus could become more capable and independent, potentially changing the way people think about household assistants, manufacturing, and human-robot collaboration. Could Tesla robot really become the AI-powered assistant of the future?